Bumbuckler wrong with him. Tight pussy, girl, calm down yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body make me heart just a melt. All day upon the gram, me a mention. Tell you say your pussy big, girl, your pussy tight and good. Ready? I know me want your body every day. Your pussy tight and good, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you this makeup look. I don't have many makeup tutorials or makeup looks on my channel, but I want to start incorporating makeup looks on my channel. I am not a professional makeup artist. I just like to play in makeup, and I want to play in makeup and record videos and show you guys me playing in my makeup. So for today's look, I tried a pink smoky eye. I am not someone who wears eyeshadow often. Most of the time when I do my makeup, it is full, like my face, my foundation and stuff, highlighter, concealer, all that stuff, eyebrows, and eyeliner, and falsies. I don't really put on a lot of eyeshadow, so I want to start playing in my eyeshadow. I'm going to show you guys me attempting to get better at doing eyeshadow. So I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup look. It's created with mostly affordable products. I don't wear makeup often, so I don't spend a lot of money on makeup because I hardly ever wear it. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys me creating this look. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and it's down below. And once you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. But let's get into this makeup tutorial. Well, not a tutorial, just makeup look. Hi guys, welcome back. As you saw in the intro, I'm going to be bringing you guys a makeup look today, and I am not a professional makeup artist. I just like to play in my makeup, so that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. The look that I'm going for is a pink smoky eye. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my eyebrows. I already have eyebrows, obviously, but I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to be using my concealer, and I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using an angled brush to do so. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into the eye makeup. So I'm going to prep my eyes for eyeshadow. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids. And for that, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. And I'm going to set that with some setting powder, and the setting powder I'm using is by Black Radiance, and it's their True Complexion loose setting powder, and this is in the color Banana. So the eyeshadow palettes I'm going to be using today are my Juvia's Place Nubian palette and my Summer Breeze palette by Coastal Scents. So first I'm going to go in with, I hope you can see, it's going to be this color right here from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take that on a fluffy blending brush that looks like this. And I'm just going to take that, and this is going to be my transition color in my crease area. So the next color I'm going to go in with is from the Summer Breeze palette, and it's this darker pink color right here. And I'm going to go in with a pointier, I'm trying to make sure you guys can see this. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my eyelid color, and the eyelid color that I'm using today is in the same Summer Breeze palette, and it is this pink color right here. So I'm going to go in with my flat top brush, and I am going to spray it with some setting spray. I'm going to dip this in my brush, and I'm just going to swipe this color all over my mobile lid area. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that dark pink color that I used in the crease area, and I'm just going to go in and blend some more of that into my crease. Okay, now I'm going to use this same pointy angle brush, and I'm going to go in with a brown color. But now I'm going to go in with the dark brown in Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to focus this on my outer V. Alright, so to prime my face, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my face with my setting spray, and this is, even though it's in the Urban Decay bottle, it's not Urban Decay. It is aloe vera juice and water. I'm just going to spray that all over my face. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my Revlon Photo Ready Primer, and I'm going to apply that all over my face as well. I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And rub this in. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. And the foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline Supuerstay foundation. And this is in the color Coconut. And I apply my foundations with a flat top brush. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I only use one pump first, and then if I need any more coverage in a specific area, I will add foundation to that specific area. So now I'm going to go in with my under eye concealer, and today I'm going to be trying out the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Suede. I use Espresso all the time to contour, but I haven't used the Matchstick in Suede to highlight my under eye. And I'm going to go in with my Aloe Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, just to brighten up my under eye a little bit more. Now I'm going to let this sit a little bit because that takes a while to dry down. And now I'm going to go in with Espresso, and I'm going to contour. Okay, so as you can see, I blended everything out, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and set everything. And to set my under eye, I am going to go in with that same powder from Black Radiance that I used for my eyelids, and I am just going to go in, put some on the sponge, dust off the excess on the sponge, and I'm just going to set under my eyelid too. And then I am going to go in and set my contour, and what I'm going to use to do that is my True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to just take a fluffy angled brush, going with a darker color, and I'm going to set where I applied all that Espresso from the Fenty. And now to set my entire face, I'm going to go in with my black opal powder in deep, and this I'm going to apply it all over my entire face. And because I am so powdery right now, I'm going to go in with this setting spray, and I'm going to spray my entire face. Oh wait, I missed. Okay, so for my under eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with that dark pink color from the Summer Breeze palette that I use in my crease area. So I'm going to take this flat brush, and I'm just going to take that color right along my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go in with that lid color on the same brush, and I'm going to pack that on the first half of my lid. And then I'm going to go in with that dark brown color that I used to smoke out my lid, and I'm going to smoke out the outer half of my under eye. I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I'm just going to line my eyelids. This is just going to help with when I apply my lashes so that there's not too much of a gap. Okay guys, so I have applied my lashes. So some things happened. I was supposed to put on the Full Mink Wispies by Ardell, but I ruined them. So let me show you. This one right here is how the lash is supposed to look, and this one is what happened after I stretched the band out too far. So now I have on these lashes that I bought from Walmart for like $1 or something, and this is what they are. And I've been wearing these lashes for a while, so the lash band looks ridiculous, so I had to like doctor it up. But these are my lashes on now, and everything is done on my face. Okay, so the last thing I have to do is add my highlights, and then I'm going to go in with the same Black Radiance contour palette and the highlight in that palette, and I'm going to just apply that to the high points of my cheekbones. The inner corner highlight that I'm going to be using is from the Nubian palette, and it's going to be this color right here. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to add it right here over my flappy fold. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just wrapped my head, and that's pretty much it. I changed the lippy because I really didn't like it my favorite kind of lipstick is a glossy lip, so I just put on a glossy lip, and the lip gloss that I use is by Radiance, and it's their perfect tone lip gloss, and the color is, I don't know what it is, but it's a brownish lip gloss. But yeah, this is the finished look, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I had fun making or creating this makeup look with you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and once you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.